every English irregular verb you need, all 118 of them, grouped into 8 patterns so you're not memorizing a list. Say the forms with me. Let's go! Same all 3. Put, put, put. The form never changes. Put, put, put. Cut, cut, cut. Let, let, let. Set, set, set. Hit, hit, hit. Shut, shut, shut. Cost, cost, cost. Hurt, hurt, hurt. Read, read, read. Bet, bet, bet. Fit, fit, fit. Quit, quit, quit. Spit, spit, spit. Split, split, split. Spread, spread, spread. Burst, burst, burst. Upset, upset, upset. The ought group. They all end the same way. Buy, bought, bought. Think, thought, thought. Bring, brought, brought. Catch, caught, caught. Teach, taught, taught. Fight, fought, fought. Past ends in T. 17 verbs that swap their ending for a T. Keep, kept, kept. Sleep, slept, slept. Feel, felt, felt. Leave, left, left. Lose, lost, lost. Build, built, built. Send, sent, sent. Spend, spent, spent. Mean, meant, meant. Meet, met, met. Sit, sat, sat. Bend, bent, bent. Deal, dealt, dealt. Lend, lent, lent. Sweep, swept, swept. Light, lit, lit. shoot, shot, shot. Past ends in D. The past and the participle are the same. Say, said, said. Pay, paid, paid. Tell, told, told. Sell, sold, sold. Have, had, had. Make, made, made. Hear, heard, heard. Hold, held, held. Find, found, found. Stand, stood, stood. Understand, understood, understood. Feed, fed, fed. Bleed, bled, bled. Lead, led, led. Slide, slid, slid. Vowel change only. Nothing is added. One letter changes. Win, won, won. Dig, dug, dug. Hang, hung, hung. Shine, shone, shone. Spin, spun, spun. Stick, stuck, stuck. Sting, stung, stung. Swing, swung, swung. I, ah, oo. Sing, sang, sung. Ring, rang, rung. 9 verbs, 1 shape. Sing, sang, sung. Drink, drank, drunk. Swim, swam, swum. Begin, began, begun. Ring, rang, rung. Sink, sank, sunk. Spring, sprang, sprung. Shrink, shrank, shrunk. Stink, stank, stunk. The EN endings. 37 verbs whose participle ends in N. Be, was or were, been. See, saw, seen. Get, got, gotten. Give, gave, given. Take, took, taken. Know, knew, known. eat, ate, eaten. Write, wrote, written. Speak, spoke, spoken. Show, showed, shown. Choose, chose, chosen. Break, broke, broken. Drive, drove, driven. Ride, rode, ridden. Fly, flew, flown. Fall, fell, fallen. Grow, grew, grown. Throw, threw, thrown. Wear, wore, worn. Wake, woke, woken. Forget, forgot, forgotten. Blow, blew, blown. Draw, drew, drawn. Hide, hid, hidden. Bite, bit, bitten. Freeze, froze, frozen. Steal, stole, stolen. Shake, shook, shaken. Rise, rose, risen. Swear, swore, sworn. Tear, tore, torn. Beat, beat, beaten. Awake, awoke, awoken. Forgive, forgave, forgiven. Mistake, mistook, mistaken. Prove, proved, proven. Swell, swelled, swollen. The odd ones out. 9 verbs that follow no rule at all. Go, went, gone. Do, did, done. Come, came, come. Run, ran, run. Become, became, become. Overcome, overcame, overcome. Lie, lay, lain. Lay, laid, laid. Dive, dove, dived. Great job! That's all 118 irregular verbs. Want example sentences for every verb? Part 1 and Part 2 have 3 for each. Subscribe for more. and visit esldesk.com for games, quizzes, and stories. See you next time!